Welcome to our channel, where we invite you to immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of wood abstract art. Join us on a visual journey through stunning creations that blend nature's beauty with artistic expression. As the camera pans across a gallery filled with captivating wood abstract art pieces, the beauty and intricacy of each creation come to life. From sculptures to paintings, each piece tells a unique story that will leave you in awe. Wood abstract art is a symphony of textures, colors, and shapes that evoke emotions and spark imagination. These masterpieces are a testament to the creativity and skill of talented artists who transform raw wood into works of art. Meet the talented artists behind these captivating creations as they share their inspiration, techniques, and passion for wood abstract art. Learn about the creative process and dedication that goes into crafting each unique piece. Experience the magic of nature brought to life through the hands of skilled artisans. From intricate wood carvings to vibrant abstract paintings, each piece showcases the beauty and versatility of wood as a medium for artistic expression. Join us in celebrating the enchanting beauty of wood abstract art and be inspired by the creativity and wonder that these masterpieces evoke. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and stay tuned for future showcases of artistry and craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey through the world of wood abstract art. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of nature's canvas through the eyes of talented artists.